travel lovers. Welcome back to Anne's #1 Entertainment. If you're getting ready for your next adventure, packing can be a bit stressful, right? But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to pack for air travel like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or flying for the first time, these tips will make your packing process a breeze. Let's dive in. First things first, choose the right suitcase. Make sure it meets the size requirements for carry-on or checked luggage. If you're traveling light, a carry-on is perfect. It saves time and you won't have to worry about your luggage getting lost. Now, let's talk about how to pack your clothes. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them saves space and reduces wrinkles. Trust me, it works wonders. You can also use packing cubes to keep everything organized. Group similar items together, like shirts in one cube and pants in another. This way, you can easily find what you need without making a mess. Don't forget about your shoes. Pack them at the bottom of your suitcase to distribute the weight evenly. Place them in shoe bags or wrap them in a plastic bag to keep your clothes clean. And a little tip, stuff your shoes with socks or small items to save even more space. When it comes to toiletries, stick to travel-sized bottles. Remember, if you're carrying them on the plane, liquids must be in containers of 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, or less and fit into a clear, quart-sized bag. This rule applies to gels, creams, and aerosols too. Your carry-on is where you should pack the essentials. Think of things you might need during the flight or if your checked bag is delayed. This includes your passport, wallet, phone, chargers, medications, and a change of clothes. Don't forget to bring some snacks and entertainment. Long flights can be boring. Speaking of essentials, pack your electronics carefully. Use a padded sleeve for your laptop or tablet, and keep them easily accessible for security checks. If you're traveling internationally, don't forget to bring the right power adapter. Packing for air travel doesn't have to be stressful. With these tips, you'll be able to pack efficiently and travel with peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels, everyone!